In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Shein purchase history. Whether you're checking an old order, trying to keep track of your expenses, or simply curious about previous purchases, this guide will help you navigate Shein's platform with ease. So grab your device, maybe a cup of coffee, and let's get started. First up, you need to head over to your Shein account. You can do this either through a web browser on your computer or using your mobile device. Simply open your preferred browser and type in the URL for Shein's website, or open the Shein app if you have it installed. Once you've landed on the home page, look for the My Account option. Typically, this will be in the top right corner of the screen. Click on My Account and you'll be prompted to enter your login details if you aren't already signed in. Once you're signed into your account, you should be on your profile page. Here, you'll find various options related to your account settings. Look carefully at the available options and click on My Orders. This section is specifically designed to give you a detailed overview of all the orders you've placed with Shein. It's a great way to review your shopping history and manage your purchases. Now that you're in the My Orders section, you'll see a snapshot of your recent transactions. But let's go a step further. Look for a button or link that says View All. This is your gateway to a more comprehensive list. Go ahead and click on View All to access a complete history of every order you've ever placed on Shein. Navigating through numerous orders might become a little overwhelming, especially if you're an avid shopper. To simplify things, let's narrow it down. You'll notice an option labeled All Orders. Click on it. This will organize and display your orders in a structured manner, making it easier to find exactly what you're looking for. Take a moment to browse through this section. You might even stumble upon items you've forgotten about, and there you have it. Accessing your Shein purchase history is as simple as that. With this newfound knowledge, you can efficiently manage your past orders, giving you a better handle on your shopping habits. So the next time you're curious about an old purchase, you'll know exactly where to look and what to do. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you encounter any issues along the way or have further questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more useful guides like this one. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.